Fix the first clip to the purlins. Install initial sheet by pushing down until all flutes are clicked into place. Note the male end of the sheet. Squeeze the male flute slightly and ensure that the endmost section of the sheet is fitted onto the lip, found on the corresponding side of the clip. Squeeze the clip and sheet together until they click into place. Fasten the clip to the purlin and install next sheet by clicking each flute into place. Always ensure that your clips are correctly installed.